Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Monday.com for event marketing, the complete 2025 guide. Step 1. Set up your event project on Monday.com. Here's why this is crucial. It helps you centralize all your tasks, assign roles, and effectively track progress. This is your command center, the heart of your event planning. Moving on, the next step is to create your event timeline. Now, Monday.com excels at visual timelines, simplifying your scheduling process. This feature offers a clear overview of your event schedule, making sure that everything flows seamlessly and nothing is overlooked. Now that we've done that, let's proceed to step 3, integrating with other apps. The reason we do this is to streamline your marketing efforts. Monday.com can connect with your favorite marketing apps like MailChimp or Eventbrite. This way, you can automate tasks such as sending emails or ticketing, saving you precious time. Next up, utilize the dashboard feature to monitor your event's progress. This helps us because it displays key metrics that gauge your marketing efforts' success. You can easily track ticket sales, attendee engagement, and promotional campaign results right on Monday.com. Let me explain why this matters. Having real-time data at your fingertips empowers you to make informed decisions quickly, ensuring your event's success. Finally, always remember to conduct a post-event analysis using Monday.com's reporting features. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're collecting valuable data about what worked and what didn't. This will guide your future marketing strategies, leading to more successful events. And there you have it, folks. That's how you use Monday.com for event marketing. Remember, planning is key, and with Monday.com, you're always in control. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on our channel. Until next time.